What up, everybody? Let's open up this hatchback and check out and unbox these wheels. The functionality of the Honda Civic hatchback. Okay, I went with the satin titanium. I almost went with a pair of black wheels, but it already comes with black wheels, so I thought let's switch it up a little bit. I think these wheels alone are 11 pounds lighter than the stock 20-inch wheels. So that right there should really affect acceleration and braking and handling. Okay, let's take this front cover off and see what these look like. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Brand new. Has a nice color to it. Let's see here. Wow, extremely lightweight. Well, I think the plan is to maybe do this today, maybe next weekend, I'm not sure. We still have some pretty good temperature for a while, so I don't necessarily need to switch these out, but could be fun. Except for I'd probably have to take 2 different trips up to the dealership because this isn't all gonna fit in my car on one trip. All right, that's it, guys. Okay, exciting news. So I'll make another video when I get these installed. Peace out.